Hello and welcome to a new video. My progress in DGPT. As you know, I already made few videos about this project, and I want to show you how much I invest here, what I have withdrawn, and what are my daily earnings at the moment. These are accelerators I have at the moment, so lots of them. I'm making 50 USDT daily. When I go to Asset Center, here you can see my deposits. I made 147 USDT, 32.10, so it's about 190 USDT, and after that I withdraw 400 USDT. I take my money out, and now I'm playing with profit and building my account. My goal is to get to at least 100 USDT daily, and after that I will withdraw a little bit more and play again with profit. Yeah, so that's my suggestion. If you starting project like this, invest 1 or 200 USDT. Don't put money you can't afford to lose. So invest 100, 200 USDT, play with it, buy accelerators, speed up your earnings, then take out your money and a little bit profit, and after that you can play further with profit. If you have any questions, you can comment below this video. You can ask me in Telegram group anything you want. A link will be in the video description, so feel free to contact me. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.